Running Facebook and Google ads can feel overwhelming, especially if you are a busy business owner or you are just starting out. So I tested Adwisely, a Shopify app that promises to launch high-performing ad campaigns using AI and automation, without the need of any strategy from your end. In this video, I will show you how it works, what kind of results you should expect, and what's the thing I love the most about this app. So let's get started. Well, first things first, the setup was genuinely effortless. All I needed to do was to install the app on my Shopify store, connect my ad account, and set up a few things like budget and audience location, and that's it. No need to open Meta Ads Manager, no confusing ad structure, no second guessing. In a few clicks, you can get your campaigns up and running. So if you're someone who's avoided running Meta Ads because they felt too overwhelming or technical, this setup takes all the weight off your shoulders. It's one of the easiest setups I've ever used. Now let's talk a little bit about the AI-powered part because I was also curious about it. And here's what's happening behind the scenes. Adwisely is going to connect your store to Facebook Advantage Plus campaigns and to Google PMax campaigns, both of which are based on real machine learning. Both of these platforms will optimize your targeting, adjust your bids, decide where to show your ads, and most importantly, test different creative combinations for better performance. So while Adwisely isn't building their own AI thing, they are giving you a smart, guided way to tap into these existing AI systems without the need to configure anything yourself. And actually, this is the beauty of it. You are using very powerful tools throughout the setup that makes it less intimidating and way beginner friendly. So you don't need to think about ad strategy or about A/B testing or any of these things. All of this is happening in the background automatically. Now, once your campaigns are set up, your next big question is, how do I know if it's working? And here I was a little bit surprised because Adwisely's analytics dashboard is super clear and user-friendly. From your Shopify dashboard, you can access the app and you can see everything you need to know, like how much you've spent, how much money you've made, and what's your ROAS. So for store owners who don't want to spend hours analyzing results and numbers, this setup is going to be perfect and it's not going to be overwhelming at all. It will give you exactly what you need with clarity and simplicity. Let me tell you now what set up Adwisely apart, and it is their support team. From the moment I installed the app on my Shopify store, I started getting emails and support from real people, real experts, not from bots, not from AI. They walked me through the setup, made sure that my catalog is well synchronized with my Facebook ad account and my Google ad account. And not only that, they discussed with me the best goals for my store and my business. And even they've spotted errors in my pixel connection and they fixed them. They even advised on my shipping rates and how I'm communicating them. And not only that, their support didn't stop at the moment where we launched the campaigns. A few days after, they reached out to me, asked me if I'm happy with the performance, if I need any help, and they even gave me tips into how to scale and how to improve the results. Communicating with them was super easy because it was done through emails. They were real people talking to me, helping me. It felt like I have a small ad agency working for me in order to improve my results. And this is actually priceless, especially that both people who were managing Facebook and Google ads were very friendly and they were very professional. They didn't only offer technical support, they offer also a strategic support, and this is the most important thing. If you have run ads before, you might have an idea about how valuable such help can be. And by the way, they kept offering the same kind of support and follow-up all the time. Another thing I highly appreciate is how seamlessly it integrates with Shopify. Everything from synchronizing your products, launching your campaigns, checking your results happens within your Shopify dashboard. So you don't need to bounce between Google Ads Manager, your Meta Business Manager, and your Shopify dashboard. You can see everything in one place. It makes running ads feel like a part of your store, not like a separate beast that you need to manage. Now let's talk about results. Does it actually work or not? Adwisely shares a lot of success stories on their website. For example, there is this jewelry and accessories store from the Netherlands, where Adwisely was able to add over 40,000 euros in sales with a 3 times ROAS using their system. And that's with standard creative pulled from the catalog, no fancy ad agency involved. The last question I will reply to is whether it's worth testing or not. If you are totally new to ads, or if you are short in time, or if you don't want to deal with the complexity of Facebook and Google ads, Adwisely is 100% worth trying. And this alone makes it worth it for a lot of stores. Was it groundbreaking? No, but in my opinion it worked, and most importantly, it saved a lot of costly mistakes, like for example missed pixel setup, or overlapping audiences, or poor placements, and so on. It gives you a fast, clean campaign setup, access to real ad experts who actually follow up, campaigns powered by proven AI systems, and a clear, simple way to track what's working. It's not a magic bullet, but if you are a solo founder or if you have a small team and you want to find a stress-free way to run ads without hiring an agency, Adwisely can get the job done, and it can get it done well. And by the way, they offer a 7 days free trial, so you can practically test out the app and just commit when you see your first results. So that's it for this video and for my review of Adwisely. If you want to know more about how to grow and scale your business, I highly recommend you to watch next this video on my YouTube channel, where I show you a real case study of one of my clients and how we were able to scale this business in a few months. See you there!